Good morning, boys and girls. It was a fun party yesterday. I'm back at the location. It's time to clean shit up and to get ready to the airport. What a night. What a night. Oh man, I'm so grateful to have such good friends. I think this is the hardest part, to leave and go on a journey. When you see how much the people surrounding you care so deeply about you. Oh my days. Getting goosebumps again. Don't cry. Alright guys, let's clean stuff up. Let's see how much damage is done. Ooh, good morning Zurich. There we go. Alright, let's check it. Ah, lovely. Still beers left. Mixed drinks. Cleaning up to do here. Easy does it, easy does it. Good morning, Zurich. Rooftop is clean again. I'm ready to set off to the recycling station. Aluminium, some cardboard and some glass. It's too hot to have a hangover. Shit. Let's do it. It's 2:30. Dude, departure time is 3 o'clock. Departure time to the airport. My flight's at 6:30 and I am currently packing up my stuff. Let's roll, let's see this. Books, backpack, camera equipment, passport, everything's packed up in the boxes. All my shoes are ready, skateboard equipment. Down there is the skateboard dismantled. Some more books, necessaire, my shaver. And it's gonna be final minutes here. All right, folks. Let's go.
From this moment, you must activate the flight mode of your electronic devices. You will be able to continue using Wi-Fi as a function if you wish. Thank you.
Welcome to Guadalajara International Airport. For your information, the local time, 15 minutes past 5.
Good morning from Guadalajara. Shit. Flight is over. Just took a Uber to the location of my hostel and I'm currently searching it. Had trouble to get in, so I went to the next gas station and got me a SIM card, so I have Wi-Fi now. I made it. Hello guys and welcome to my crib. God, I made it to the hostel. Now I'm chilling here. You can see I have some white stuff in my face, on my lip and on my chin. I have some weird kind of skin irritation there, so I'm just putting cream on and hope it will get better soon. It's Guadalajara time. I've just arrived. It's 10 a.m. I had a 17-hour trip, approximately. And now it is time to show you around in my room. Here's the entrance door. Let's start from here. So we have a nice big ceiling, comfy bed, Now I have this desk where all my writing materials, learning materials are. Shoes and skateboard is over here. Backpack ready on the chair. Just put everything on the bed for the moment. A little sofa to chill. Nice view on the main road. And over here is the bathroom. Also quite chill. It's the only window that is open. The little mirror already equipped. Check it out. Here we go. All my stuff is in here. Already took a shower. Takes a long time for the hot water, but when it's out, it's absolutely fantastic. So that was a little tour, and now I will set up my new board, and then I will go out and check out the neighborhood, get some to eat, and then we'll see. Maybe just try to keep being awake, and at some point around 10, 11, just go to bed in order to regulate the jet lag situation. I really can't speak anymore. Fuck me. Anyways, guys, see you in a bit. Alright, here we are, the hostel. Let's go skate and meet them friends.